Hey everyone, today we're going to create eye-catching and simple YouTube thumbnails just like this one. Let's dive in. First, we'll begin by importing our background image. By the way, you can find the PSD file of the thumbnail in the description. After that, we'll import our main picture and slightly increase its size. We'll adjust it as needed. Our next step is to remove the background. To do this, we'll choose the Subject Selection tool. Now click on Select Subject from the top menu. As you can see, our subject is now selected. Now we are going to mask this by clicking the Mask button, and as you can see, our background has been removed. Next, we'll blur the background slightly. Go to the menu bar, select Filter, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Adjust the radius to around 3 or 4. That looks fine. Next, select the Pen tool by pressing P. We'll use the Pen tool to separate the chin. After making the path, press Ctrl plus Enter to make a selection. Then copy this part to a new layer. After that, select the Rectangle tool and draw a shape like this, placing it below the chin we previously worked on. We will modify it slightly. Press Ctrl plus A to make a selection. Then from the top menu, align it to the center. After that, we'll change the color to red. Next, we'll adjust its size, increasing it just a little and slightly decrease the height. That looks fine. Now we will write our text. We have written the text. Now we are going to bring the text over here and make it slightly larger. This looks fine. Next, we will select our text layer and shape layer and align them from the top menu. Then we'll bring the shape layer under the chin. After that, we will increase the size of the text a little more. Finally, we'll select both layers and move them up a little bit, like this. Then we need to import a money PNG like this, which you can easily find on the internet. We have to bring it to the top, select the layer, and drag it to the top of all layers. Position it a little lower, then make a copy of this by pressing Ctrl plus J and place it behind our main picture, increasing its size slightly. This is looking fine. Our thumbnail is almost ready. The only thing left is to add a shadow. To create the shadow, we'll take a new layer, press B for the brush tool and choose black as the color. Then we'll paint the shadow over here. Now we will mask it. Then press B for the brush tool and paint over the mask with a black color over here. Once you've painted, we need to add a shadow to this PNG by going to the FX panel at the bottom and adding a drop shadow. I believe this looks fine, but we will make some minor adjustments. Let's slightly increase the opacity and also increase the shadow size a little bit. It looks perfect now. And there you have it. Our thumbnail is now complete. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. By the way, you can find the PSD file of the thumbnail in the description. Thank you.